How to make cough remedies.
Use brown sugar. Take a little bit of brown sugar, say half teaspoon, and then crushed black pepper, half teaspoon. Mix it together and you put it in your mouth and you salivate them very slowly. Okay, let's see what happens if they have phlegm. You take turmeric, ground the pepper. Now you boil milk and you reduce it to half. It has to be really, really hot, and mix these two powders together, stir it until it becomes like yellow in color, and take a half a cup twice a day, and that goes your chest phlegm.